To check your transaction history on Discord, you can follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate through the platform to find your past transactions easily. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or access it through a web browser by visiting the Discord website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to User Settings. Locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface next to your username. Click on this icon to open the User Settings menu. Step 3. Select Billing. In the User Settings menu, scroll down the left sidebar until you find the Billing option. Click on it to access your billing information and transaction history. Step 4. View Transaction History. Once in the billing section, look for the Transaction History tab. Click on it to view a detailed list of all your past transactions, including purchases and subscriptions. Step 5. Review Details. In the Transaction History, you can click on individual transactions to see more details such as the date, amount, and type of purchase. This will help you keep track of your spending on Discord. Now you can easily check your transaction history on Discord. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the help resources available on the platform.